Alright, first I want to address the gargling in the... Okay, so it stopped there. It happened there. Happened again. Happened again. Not that time. Ooh, that's one of the other addressee noises. You want to get rid of that noise.